One of the most important things that you can do after a car accident or other personal injury is document your injury. Hi, I'm Guy DiMartino. I am a Northwest Indiana personal injury lawyer, and let me explain to you why it is important for you to document your injuries. When we go ahead and submit a demand to the insurance company and make a demand for your claim in a personal injury accident, the insurance company will always take a look at the initial medical records. They'll take a look at the ER, they'll try to get a snapshot of what happened at the ER, and the records shortly thereafter. So most of the time when you go to the ER, if you don't have a significant or serious injury that can be life-threatening or something with significant broken bones, the medical record is very bland because the only thing that the ER doctor wants to make sure is that you are going to be alive, that you are stable enough to go ahead and follow up with another healthcare provider. So you need, after you're released from the hospital, they'll usually say you need to follow up with the doctor in 72 hours. You need to go and see another healthcare provider within a week. And I don't want you to be a complainer, but you need to document all your complaints so it's in the medical record. You can say that you had so-and-so, but if there's no doctor saying that you complained of this injury or that injury, then the insurance company is going to say, hey, it didn't happen. Medical records are evidence. If you have any questions regarding a Northwest Indiana personal injury matter, you can always reach out to me. I am Guy DiMartino, meeting you at the intersection of law and medicine. Have a great day.